guys, we're gonna mag-channel today with Jollibee, some gravy, got some ice cream, iced tea, French fries.
Sorry,
I'm
I'm
okay.
coughing.
Sorry, I'm coughing. Okay, I'm okay. Let's eat. My mom's laughing at me when I cough. Ah!
You're watching while I'm eating.
I put the French fry in the gravy because it's creamy. Fucking good. Ketchup na ya.
Dami mo, ice cream na. Ice cream mo.
Bye bye.